Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to increase the spending limit on Atome or whatever the Atom or whatever the name is. So how you can do it. So as you can see, I am on the official website and the official help center of this website, and these are the official instructions given by them of how you can increase the spending limit. So just follow this simple process to apply for spending limit increase. Follow these steps. So the first step is log into the app and go to the atomic card icon on the home page. You will see this atomic card icon on the home page. And after that, just tap increase spending limit under available spending limit section. So once you click on atomic card icon, you will see this option, increase spending limit under available spending limit section. So once you see this option, just click on tap increasing limit, and after that choose your preferred employment data verification provider. So you need to verify some kind of documents or like employment data to increase the spending limit. So just choose your preferred employment data verification provider. And once you are done, do remember to submit your application, otherwise it will be considered incomplete. So make sure to also like submit your application, and once you submit your application, that is how you can apply to increase the limit.